The journey of our premium Brahman bulls begins here, traversing this serene landscape toward the pinnacle of luxury fashion.
We have a rigorous selection process and give the utmost respect to these magnificent creatures before they enter the state-of-the-art manufacturing ecosystem. Patients. A stress-free environment is paramount. This meticulous attention to their well-being translates directly into the
This non-invasive scanning technology guarantees that only the most flawless source material is selected for the luxury collection.
A true synthesis of technology and animal welfare. This automated grooming ensures the raw material is pristine before manufacturing begins. Our uncompromising dedication to health and quality means human expertise remains a vital component in this highly automated manufacturing process. This rigorous purification process highlights how intense hydrodynamic cleaning prepares the natural horn accents for the intricate decorative work on our luxury leather handbags. Through the mastery of thermal engineering, precise heat application hardens the natural horn, making it resilient to use as rims. Our proprietary drying technology uses a delicate balance of heat and mist, ensuring the premium white leather retains its the critical importance of this step, noting that the AI-driven laser analysis dictates the exact rolling pressure, ensuring uniform thickness and the rigorous selection criteria for luxury belts demands leather that can endure constant bending and tension, requiring a different structural profile than the travel collection represents the absolute apex of the Factory Vision brand, requiring hides that are 3 times thicker than those used for standard handbags or wallets. The high-frequency vibrations cauterize the thick organic fibers instantly, preventing any future structural fraying during decades of intense international transit. Using pure water instead of heated lasers or metal blades ensures that the edges of the white leather remain completely unburned and structural. The obsessive attention given to the edges of the luxury belts, these often overlooked details are what separate standard commercial fashion. These handles must support the heavy weight of fully packed luxury luggage without ever warping or cracking under extreme pressure. The male voiceover highlights the unique challenge of working with organic horn, explaining how the artificial intelligence controlling the CNC. This high-gloss finish is achieved entirely through friction and premium compounds, without the use of harsh chemical sealants. The exact calibration of the riveting machines ensures the buckle will never loosen or detach, providing a lifetime of flawless, luxurious use. This carbon fiber skeleton allows the luggage to remain incredibly lightweight while providing armor-like protection for the contents inside. The immense difficulty of working with premium leather at this microscopic level means only the most advanced automated machinery can achieve the consistent thinness necessary. The focused beam instantly cauterizes the microscopic edges of the leather, preventing any future fraying or degradation over decades of use. This interior stitching is designed to be a private luxury, meant to be appreciated only by the owner every time they open their wallet. Standard thread would snap under the tension required to bind the carbon-reinforced leather, making the titanium thread an absolute engineering necessity. The robotic alignment eliminates all human error, ensuring that every single card slot is perfectly parallel and every seam is reinforced to withstand extreme daily use. This edge sealing process is repeated exactly 3 times, with microscopic sanding occurring between each layer. This tiny piece of natural horn serves as the ultimate signature of the Factory Vision collection, physically connecting the hyper-modern finished wallet. The specialized polymer seals the interior carbon fiber from moisture, ensuring it can withstand the most extreme global travel conditions. The futuristic engineering behind these bespoke locking clasps ensures unbreakable security for titanium, while the combination of titanium bolts, carbon fiber, and premium horn creates a carrying handle that is statistically stronger than the structural frame of a small vehicle. This proprietary conditioning process deeply nourishes the premium Brahman leather, replacing moisture lost during manufacturing.
Intertoes. Advanced chemical engineering ensures this invisible nano coating repels water, oils, and stains.
The interior is designed to be just as breathtaking as the exterior. Our sonic welding eliminates bulky seams, ensuring projectors. This laser-engraved serial number represents a permanent digital passport, linking this luggage back to its origin in the True luxury travel requires uncompromising protection, ensuring that the pristine perfection achieved on the factory floor survives any logistical challenge the world has to offer. This specific leather must possess the durability of industrial armor while retaining the soft, yielding comfort of a second skin. Traditional die cutting crushes the delicate cellular walls of the leather, but this advanced oscillating technology preserves the organic. The challenge of engineering with organic horn is immense. Our AI dynamically alters the cutting speed, preventing the dense material from cracking under extreme friction. The robotic tensioning completely eliminates human error, ensuring the luxury shoe will never lose its elegant shape even after decades of daily wear. The titanium thread provides armor-like strength, ensuring the sole of the shoe will never separate from the pristine white upper under any circumstances. The specialized polymer completely seals the interior stitching from environmental moisture, ensuring the luxury shoe can withstand all weather conditions.
This heavy piece of natural horn serves as the ultimate signature of the Factory Vision footwear collection, physically connecting the
leather must endure constant bending and sweat exposure, which demands an entirely different structural profile than the material used for the handbags or luggage.
This carbon fiber skeleton completely eliminates the possibility of the leather stretching or tearing over time while maintaining absolute comfort.
The incredible difficulty of microstitching requires the robotic arms to calibrate their needle drops to a fraction of a millimeter to prevent destroying the delicate leather edges. The titanium provides unbreakable security for expensive smart devices, while the integrated natural horn maintains the warm, tactile luxury connection expected from the brand. The concentrated ultraviolet light instantly cross-links the polymers in the edge paint, locking them into a permanent, indestructible state. The interior is designed to protect expensive glass screens. Sonic welding eliminates bulky seams that could potentially scratch or damage your device. The Factory Vision collection demands absolute perfection. If the artificial intelligence detects even a microscopic variance, seeing the entire collection together proves the unparalleled genius of the process Foundry, where raw agricultural materials. These bespoke black boxes act as protective microclimates, maintaining the perfect humidity and temperature to preserve the suppleness of the white leather indefinitely. The journey of true luxury does not end at assembly, but extends into how the final masterpiece is preserved and protected before it reaches the exclusive clientele. The exclusive global distribution network transports these premium leather goods with the same security and precision as highly classified technological installation. True luxury requires a flawless, unbroken chain of custody. These armored vehicles are constantly monitored by agents. Whether the destination is Tokyo, Paris, or New York, the absolute integrity of the premium white Brahman leather and natural horn. The process Foundry ensures the transition from armored transport to display pedestal is executed with uncompromising perfection and theatrical reverence. This represents absolute transparency and ethical pride. It's the culmination of a massive technological and agricultural journey.
Every single luxury piece contains an encrypted digital soul that proves its authentic humane origin and the unparalleled technological craftsmanship used in its creation.
True luxury must be a tactile revelation stating that the relentless precision of the process Foundry culminates in a product that feels fundamentally different from anything else ever created by human hands. True luxury is a promise kept from the open fields of the source material to the robotic precision of the factory. The Factory Vision collection is not fragile art meant to be hidden away, but indestructible engineered luxury designed to withstand the elements while looking absolutely flawless. As Foundry, the process Foundry has further redefined the limits of human craftsmanship.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tool. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure original visual and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visual and real footage.